and gentlemen, sit up nice and straight. And we're going to do echo letter formation. So before we make the letter, show me where your feet are. Are they flat on the ground? All right. And then you show me how you pinch your pencil, your marker. Yeah. And what do you do with the other hand? You keep it on the board. Beautiful. Now put your lids on your marker for a second because this is a new one, so we're going to practice first. Everyone, look at Mrs. Carlo, and we'll have Echo help us. Everyone, say, don't write it yet. Tell me what says Jojo? P. Now watch me and I'll remind you how we do this. Don't start yet, Massimo, your eyes right here. Because it's a plain line letter, I start on the plain line. I go down to the worm line. I trace back up to the plain line and curve all the way around to the grass line. P, and everyone, lids off your markers. You're going to wait for my directions, okay? Don't do anything yet. Put your hand on that board and hold it still. All right, everyone, take your marker and point to the plain line. Say it. Point to the plain line. Go all the way down to the worm line. Go down to the worm line. Trace back up to the plain line. And go around to the grass line. And say, he can cook. Beautiful. Make sure when we do this that you go curve all the way down to the grass line. Let's do one more. Start at the plain line, go down to the worm line, trace back up to the plain line, curve all the way down to the grass line. He can cook. Beautiful. I am going to have Jack come up to the board, and we're going to do a review word. You can erase your board. We're going to do a review. We're going to do a review letter that does go down to the worm line, but it is not the plain line letter. It's a plain line round letter. Everyone say good. What letter says good? Everybody. G. And it is G. So put one hand on your board and pinch your marker. G is a plain line round letter. So point with your marker to the plain line. Point with your marker to the plain line. Trace back on the plain line. Down and around all the way back up to the plain line. Trace back down to the worm line. All the way down and around. Go down to the worm line and make a curve. Say G game good. G game good. Let's do that one more time for practice. Everyone point to, and say it with me, point to the plain line. Point to the plain line. Trace back on the plain line. Trace back on the plain line. Down and around. Down and around. All the way back to the plain line. All the way back to the plain line. Trace back down all the way to the worm line. Trace back down all the way to the worm line. And make a curve. G game good. G game good.